Hey everybody, I had a really cool video planned for today and I screwed up and deleted all the footage, so there's nothing of what I did for the video I had planned. But as you can see, I got the front clip mounted, and that's what the video was, me mounting the front clip and then making the front body mount for the grill and the radiator here. So I'd like to show you that, and then show you what I'm working on now that I haven't shot any footage of to delete, so, you know, can't screw that up yet. But look at the Jeep. Looks nice. It hasn't sat like this in since August of 2019. So it's been a long time since it's been one piece. Recenter my axle. I was just trying to do that because on this side we're flush, and over here we stick out about 3 or 4 inches. I don't have a track bar in here right now. Here's that front mount I made. Cut off the original front mount, and it's about right here. And then because I made this frame, this front bar is not in the same factory location as the normal Jeep. So I had to extend it out. And so this is just flat 1/8 inch flat plate on top, and then I used angle for the side and just made it one piece. Also, the hood's not in place, and actually it's jammed right now because it's not in place, so it's sunk down in the back. But there we go. These fenders are not going to be used because they have the typical Jeep. That's all I have to say. These are not going to be used, but they're what I have, so that's what's going on right now. As far as back here, and making these sections here and there, both sides, I got a line on a Jeep tub that's going to get totaled out here shortly. So I'm going to go cut the top 4 inches off of that Jeep so I can put these in. I'll have new channels. I'll have the same factory style back here. The guy's also got half doors. I really want to set a factory half doors, so hopefully I can get them at a good price. It's a black Jeep. Doesn't matter. I'm going to paint it anyhow, so it doesn't really bother me. What I'm currently working on is I'm making the piece for here, and I'm going to make it removable. I made these little tabs. I got to weld them in place, but I got 4 of them. Gotta weld them in place. And then this is obviously the transmission, but I got a nut zerk tool that I'll get these in place, drill my holes, put my nut zerks in, and then I can make my flat piece. I want this piece to be removable so that I can access it a whole lot easier, and I can get to the transfer case bolts and things like that. I think it'll come in handy. So that piece is going to be removable. The rest of the floor will be welded in, but that piece will be removable. As always, thanks everybody for watching. Thanks for the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. I hope you like what's going on here. Don't be afraid to build something. Have a good weekend.